Hey everyone, Dalton here with Byrider Madison. I just wanted to make a video for you. In April, there is National Pet Day, so I wanted to showcase two vehicles that probably be the best if you have pets or a couple of pets. So first one I do have our Chevy Traverse, and then I do have our Town and Country. Probably gonna be the best pet vehicles that we have on the lot. Just going to show you a little bit about them, why they might be the best for your pet. Obviously, vans can hold a lot of people, but also if you needed more space for your pet, the rear seats in the back do come down, but also you can still haul quite a bit of people in these. And it also does have the rear climate control, keeps your pets nice and cool. Then just coming to the back, like I said, the rear seats do fold down, but also you have like the little side storages, so leashes, water bowls, stuff like that. Or if you just wanted to give your pet a big bed and put it in the back there, that could definitely work for you. Coming over to the Traverse, this Traverse is also third row, so it hauls a lot of people. So you do have that option. Also does have the rear climate control as well. Very nice interior here. Does have the captain's chairs there. But also in the back, like the Town and Country, the rear seats can fold down for you, so you can obviously have more space for your pets and everything like that. If you are looking for a vehicle, give us a call. We'd be more than glad to try and help you. 608-663-1213. Talk to you soon.